everybody, it's Beth from Villains and Vice, and I'm here to do my first unboxing, so give me a little break if I don't do the best job. So I purchased a bunch of stuff from ShopDisney and did kind of the same thing I did with all of my purchases. I just kind of like let things gather in our foyer. And you know, I know what they are when they very first arrive, but as they kind of pile up, I kind of forget what I've ordered. So it becomes Christmas every time I open something, which is fun. There are actually 2 boxes that came with this order, but I'm only gonna open one of them today because Katra has claimed the other box as her napping spot. And if you know anything about us, rule number 1, which is don't disturb the cats, is very real in this house. So that box is now off limits until Katra decides, oh, Katra's right there. Hi Katra! Until Katra decides that she has another place to take naps or a new favorite spot. So, I guess the first thing I need to do is actually open the box. Which I can't even do. Oh, straight lines are hard. Managed to do it without hurting myself, so I'm gonna give myself a win for that. Of course, you have the lovely Disney tissue paper. I don't see any villains on this. Okay. I am not a collector. I know a lot of people, you know, collect pins or lounge flies, mugs. I don't really collect anything. It's all just an individual basis, whether it's something that I like. Now, if you come to our house, I do have a lot of like fox things, black cat things, and pineapple things, but I wouldn't say that I collect them. But one thing I do like is the tropical aesthetic. I love anything, obviously pineapples, but like palm trees, hibiscus, even the LaCroix I'm drinking is hibiscus. Thought about drinking a Truly, but decided against it. So some of this stuff is from the tropical line. Are unnecessary. So the very first thing I got was this super cute tray, Mickey. It's wooden with these cute little brass-like handles. It was $49.99, but I did it when they had their 30% off sale, so did not pay that much for it. But I love it. We'll probably keep it at one of the condos in Florida. Perfect for carrying drinks out to the balcony or, you know, just kind of setting on the coffee table. Super cute. Really thinking that they want me to cut myself. I do actually remember what this is now. Now that I saw the tray, I do know what this is. There's tape all over it. styrofoam. Okay, not what I thought it was. It's another item from the Tropical line. Wish they hadn't put this sticker on the inside. It doesn't come off as easily as, yeah, see, now the plastic all has. Oh, that's gonna take some work later. It's a glass pitcher with little like palm leaves and in the green and in the gold, kind of around the clear parts. And then Mickey, perfect for mixing cocktails. Just really cute. I love the trim, the metal trim. This is a really nice piece. This was 30 bucks, which again was also 30% off, so I really like this. Okay, I have two of these. These are what I thought was in that bigger box. I do know what these are. Am I even opening this the right way? Another item from the Tropical line. They're little like on the rocks glasses with Mickey and palm trees and just gold with a gold trim. They kind of match. We have glasses from Williams-Sonoma that have pineapples on them with the gold trim, so they can kind of all go together. I got two of these. That's what's in this box too. I won't bore you with opening the exact same thing. But I love the whole set. How cute! I love it. And then the last item I have today is completely unrelated. But my packing slip doesn't match what's in my box. There's no headband, no Dumbo plush. It definitely didn't get that. It's a good thing I'm not sending anything back. I never send things back. It's just way too much effort. Even if things don't fit, they'll just like live in my closet forever with the tags on. So the last item I got, so cute, was this cropped Baby Yoda sweatshirt. How cute is that? Here's the back. Super, super cute. Like I said, it's cropped. I think it would look really cute with just a pair of like black leggings. And I love Baby Yoda. I have admittedly not seen all of the Star Wars movies. I've seen most of them. I have not seen all of them, but I have seen The Mandalorian several times. I watch it over and over. I just love it. Jon Favreau is a genius. It's the best thing to come out of Disney Plus. And there have been a lot of good things that come out of Disney Plus. So I guess that is it. That's gonna be a wrap for us until Katra decides to find another box or newspaper or just some random thing that I've left on the ground that she thinks makes a good bed. But if you want to see more of this type of content, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to order more stuff. Sorry, Mike. Don't forget to like and subscribe,